Hello, and welcome. It's me, James. Today we're diving into the smoky eye. It sounds intense, but it's for everyone. Think of it as a little black dress for your face, perfect for any occasion. We're not just putting on makeup, we're becoming artists. The smoky eye is about blending colors from light to dark, creating a beautiful gradient. It's much more approachable than you think, I promise. Forget everything you thought you knew about the smoky eye being difficult. We're going to make it simple, fun, and foolproof. By the end of this, you'll be a smoky eye pro. It's all about having a good time and feeling great. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's get our little claymation kits together and start creating some magic. It's going to be brilliant. So, grab a cup of tea and let's get ready to play. A smoky eye can be any color: brown, gray, purple, or even sparkly blue. Let's get this show on the road. Every great artist needs their tools, and so do we. First, an eye primer. It's the glue for your clay. It makes your eyeshadow stick and colors pop. Next, brushes, a flat shader for applying, a fluffy blending brush for softening, and a small pencil brush for details. For eyeshadow, start with a simple palette of 4 colors: light, medium, dark, and maybe black. A neutral palette is your best friend when you're starting out. Don't forget eyeliner and mascara for defining and finishing the look. Eyeliner outlines your claymation character, and mascara adds the final touch. So, to recap: primer, brushes, eyeshadow palette, eyeliner, and mascara. That's it. You've got your kit. Let's get to sculpting. It's your pre-made kit for sculpting the perfect eye. Let's create some magic. Alright, let's get started. First, prime your eyelids with a tiny dot of eye primer. Now take your flat shader brush and apply the lightest color to the inner corner and under the eyebrow. This is your highlight, making your eyes look bright and open. Next, use the medium color on the main part of your eyelid. Don't worry about perfection. Our blending brush will fix it. Use your fluffy blending brush to soften the edges in the crease. This creates the beautiful, hazy, smoky effect. Blending is your best friend. Finally, add drama with the darkest color along your upper lash line and outer corner. Blend the edge of the dark color into the medium shade. Line your eyes with eyeliner, add mascara, and you're done. You've sculpted a smoky eye. See? Not so scary at all. It's all about creating an illusion, a beautiful, smoldering illusion. You are now fully equipped to create a stunning smoky eye whenever you want. Let's create some magic. Let's talk about common mistakes. The panda dark eyeshadow falls and creates dark circles. Fix. Do eye makeup before foundation and clean up with a makeup wipe. Not blending enough creates harsh stripes. Fix. Use your fluffy brush to blend until seamless. Dark color too high makes eyes look smaller. Fix. Keep darkness near the lash line and outer corner. Wrong tools. Use a fluffy brush for blending, not a flat one. Tap excess shadow off your brush to prevent fallout. Little changes make a huge difference. You are now fully equipped to create a stunning smoky eye whenever you want. Let's create some magic. Cheers to that. So there we have it. You've done it. You have faced the smoky eye and conquered it. It's just a few simple steps of layering and blending. Primer is essential. It holds everything together. Light and shadow sculpt the look. Blending is the secret sauce for a soft, hazy effect. Dark shade adds depth and drama. Fix mistakes by doing eyes first and blending well. Experiment with different colors. You are an artist, and your face is your canvas. Now go out there and show off your masterpiece. You look absolutely brilliant. Cheers to that. Let's create some magic.